Hello, merry friends! This quick video takes us to Las Tres Marias near Fisher Mall, Quezon City. What I love about this restaurant, very aesthetic ang design, masarap ang food pero hindi nakakabutas ng bulsa. Napaka-enchanting ng vibes. Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. So, in-order ko lang yung mga narinig ko ng bestsellers daw nila. And true enough, masarap and very cheesy ang kanilang beef lasagna and baked mac. But what I enjoyed the most was their brick oven pizza. Grabe ang cheese pool neto, hindi talaga tinipid ang mozzarella. Tapos ang chewy ng dough, ang sarap ng pizza. Okay naman yung kanilang buffalo wings with fries, although typical lang yung lasa. Doon talaga kami na-impress sa kanilang pizza, pepperoni and 4 cheese. I like how their aglio olio came with 3 big pieces of shrimp and butter.